Hi everyone, welcome to WesKnows Tech News and Reviews channel. Did you ever want to have superpowers? Do things that others can't, outperform the best and do it with style? Well, now you can. In fact, you could have done it back in 2019 as well. But from June 2020, the Huawei P30 Pro New Edition gives you even more superpowers. Its ability to see in the dark is unsettling. Its 50 times hybrid optical zoom is amazing. Its stamina is out of this world. Its supercharging is unbeatable. You can even go swimming with it. But would you? If you are new to WesKnows Tech News and Reviews, we talk about the latest tech news. We do brutally honest reviews and share hacks and tricks along the way. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and bell notification so you don't miss out. The Huawei P30 Pro does feel in many ways like the superhero of the smartphone world. But all superheroes have their weaknesses, their kryptonite. So what's P30 Pro's kryptonite? Well, it's the difficult relationship with Google's Android. Huawei continues to face the hugely damaging US trade ban, which means it can't feature any of Google's popular applications such as Gmail, YouTube, Netflix, Google Maps, or the all-important Play Store. The new edition is Huawei's saving grace from Google's ban. Let me explain how. The original P30 family was announced back in 2019, before Huawei was put on the US trade block list, and Google announced its decision to pull support. Therefore, P30 models continue to have full access to Google Apps, services and security updates. And now Android 10 is available for it. So Huawei scratched their heads and dodged the ban bullet by releasing a souped-up version of the P30 Pro in 2020, but calling it New Edition. As a result, this bad boy has Google Play Store, something you won't find on the P40 series, and it's still on par with the best in class. Huawei is doing its best to beat this ban with it recently launching its own app gallery store and offering an option called PhoneClone, which attempts to transfer everything from an old device to its latest smartphones. However, these options have a long way to go until they can compete with the might of Google. Well, according to recent news reports, President Donald Trump has just extended the ban on telecommunication companies deemed to produce equipment that pose a national security risk for another 12 months. Although Huawei isn't directly mentioned, it's sure to mean the firm won't be able to use Google until at least May 2021. That means the P30 Pro New Edition might be the only way to get a Google Pack Huawei phone for the foreseeable future. Huawei P30 Pro New Edition was officially announced in May 2020 and went on sale in early June. This smartphone is powered by Kirin 980 octa-core processor and Mali G76 MP10 GPU. It packs a whopping 8 gigs of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. Mind you, the chipset is the 2019 P30 Pro's engine, but the 8 GB of RAM is just like in the P40. The smartphone is rated IP68, essentially it's dust and water resistant. The manufacturer is saying it will last 2.5 hours submerged underwater. Let me know if you dare taking this bad boy with you to the pool. The body of this smartphone is made out of glass front, glass back, and an aluminium frame. It's all aluminium. It looks amazing, I'll tell you that. But it is on the heavy side. At 196 grams, this is not light. Anyway, so here we've got the box. This is what it looks like. I think it doesn't look as special as the iPhone. It just doesn't. But then does anything look as special as the iPhone? Let's open it up. And there we go. It's plastered in there. It is a beauty. It's such a nice phone. It looks class. But I think it does take us back to the Samsung Galaxy phones. The first curved screen. Well, Huawei is doing it as well. I like it, but I think many Samsung fans are going to be screaming. Well, we know what they'll be screaming. Let's see what else is in the box. We've got some instruction manuals there. We've got the SIM pin. We've got an amazing charger. So this one here is not the cheapo that you're going to get in the other brands. This is a full-on 40-watt charger. So you've got your USB-C cable, and you also get a pair of earbuds. Not the best in the market, I'm sure you can do better. Let's jump up on features and design. What's the P series all about? So it's 158 by 73.4 by 8.4 millimeters, 192 grams. It does have the water drop notch up top, and thankfully it is symmetrical. I don't like those puncture holes in the corner of the screens. This one looks logical to me. But anyway, that's just my preference. Let's talk about the cool features. There's a magnetic in-screen speaker for phone calls. So the speaker works well for calls and sounds like a normal speaker when your ear is pressed to the screen. There's also no laser-based face unlock like on the Mate 20 Pro, and that's a shame. While the P30 Pro has a camera-based face unlock function, it's not as good as the laser system. I was able to unlock it by simply showing it a picture of me on another phone. The feature works well in bright light, but falters in low light and when you don't look at the phone straight on. So you look there, that's it. It's not gonna happen, but it just did. Anyway, not only has the P30 Pro screen grown to 6.5 inches, 6.47 to be exact, which is bigger than the Mate 20 Pro. Another very cool, but again, this is a flagship, so it's not so cool. It's just the normal for the flagships of 2019 and 20. There is an in-screen fingerprint scanner as well, which is what allows the screen to be a taller 9.5 to 9 aspect ratio compared to the 18.7 to 9 on the P20 Pro, the previous model. So let's have a look how it works. Finger down, it opens, beautiful. Most high-end phones now feature beautiful OLED screens, and the Huawei P30 Pro and the new edition is no exception. The pixel density, brightness and contrast levels are on point. By default, display colors are set to vivid, which I prefer over the slightly warmer default mode, but that's down to personal preference really, and gives a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels. The pixel density is 398 ppi, which is not amazing because most Samsungs do try to go over 400. Compared to Samsung's AMOLED screens, the colors on the P30 Pro look more muted, even in vivid mode, but again that's down to the 398 ppi. There's no notification LED on the screen, but you can enable the always-on display, which will show the time, date, battery level and certain notification icons. Let's talk cameras. The P series has always led with camera innovations. The main camera has a 40 megapixel wide angle, an 8 megapixel periscope telephoto with 5 times optical zoom and a 10 times hybrid zoom, plus a 20 megapixel ultra wide. Taking photos at night with the Huawei P30 Pro new edition is so easy now because you have ISO up to 409,600. Even in extreme dark situations, you are able to discover a vast array of colors. So basically, you point your phone into the darkness and pull out a vivid picture. Well, we didn't try that. But if you had on the 2019 version or the new 2020, let us know in the comments below how that worked out for you. The phone has an amazing hybrid zoom. It's 5 to 50 times. Okay, so back in 2019, that was unheard of. But in 2020, the Samsung S20 gives us 100 times hybrid zoom. I know what you're thinking. Artificial intelligence driven digital magnification is not ideal, but it is exciting, especially if you're zooming in on a starry night sky. The video recording specs are again standard for a flagship phone, so you can do your 40K at 30 frames per second. You can do your HDs at 60 frames per second and 30 frames per second, and then of course the 720 at 60 frames per second. Front camera is quite good. It's got the 32 megapixel and it's a wide angle camera. The P30 Pro has one other trick. The depth sensing cameras on the rear allow the phone to measure objects in the real world, much like you can with Apple's Measure app. Let's talk charging and battery life. This is exciting. It has 40-watt supercharging, 15-watt wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. the P30 Pro seems to cannibalize all the best features from the other Huawei phones. In terms of battery life, it's amazing. The P30 Pro goes on and on and on. It will comfortably last 2 full days with light use, and you should easily make it through a whole day with heavy use, with juice to spare. If you haven't experienced Huawei's supercharged speeds, you will be utterly amazed at the rapid pace with which the battery tops up. From empty, it will recharge to over 70% in half an hour with the included mains adapter and USB-C cable. And of course it supports 15 watts wireless charging too. Huawei P30 Pro is the manufacturer's last flagship that shipped with Google Apps on board. Even a year after its release, the P30 Pro remains an attractive option for customers who just can't deal with the lack of Google Apps, but still do like Huawei's products. The Huawei P30 Pro New Edition is Huawei's photography-focused flagship, competing against other Android flagships like the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, S20, as well as the iPhones. Huawei has positioned the P series as the premier camera phone on the market. But the P30 Pro is not a niche device. It's a great all-rounder. It's a flagship for a reason. It does have superpowers. Well, we like to think so. Everything about the P30 Pro is designed to appeal to mainstream users, from the eye-catching colors to the impressive battery life and top-tier specs. The P30 Pro is a brilliant phone. It's a beautifully designed, comes in some eye-catching finishes. Well, actually no, for UK you only get the white frost finish. In other countries though, you can get the black and the Aurora finishes. There are only minor niggles, such as the mono audio speaker down the bottom. There's no headphone jack, but this is becoming much less of a problem these days, with wireless headphones so prolific and affordable. At current prices, the P30 Pro New Edition is great value. It's cheaper than the predecessor, it's cheaper than the P40 without the Google Play, and it's cheaper than Samsung S20. If you have enjoyed watching our video review, please push the subscribe button below the video. And keep watching us for more honest reviews.